at the XTOOL booth now, and these people got some amazing equipment. So let's hear what he has to say.
Hey everyone, I'm Stein and I'm the general manager of XTOOL US. Welcome to our booth. It's actually our first show in Impression Expo, and we're trying to do a lot more in East Coast because I was from Jersey. Right. Recently we moved to California because we have the new office founded in San Jose, California. Perfect. So we are providing a lot of like showroom service, also services for like repair, maintenance, and also customer service and everything. So it's in-house and to service the local customers.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So
So what do you want to know about the products?
What do you have here today?
We have basically everything really, because XTOOL is all about versatility but also accessibility. Right. So right now, if you're looking at this guy, it's called M1 Ultra, and the key takeaway on this is the most creative, 4-in-1 crafting machine. So it does both the laser cutting, so just open up. It's an enclosed machine, so it's class 1, very safe. This module here, it's a 20 watts diode laser, so you can swap out that with one click and drop out to get another carriage in with the inject or blade cutting. So it's switchable. And here we have some pans, or like a hot foil pan. You can do hot foiling like this, with a golden design. So it's a lot of versatility.
So it's kind of like a cricket, but better.
I didn't say that, but.
But that's what you say. You have a laser on it. Come on.
Oh yeah. Right, and it's a very, very good price. It runs from 1,000 to 2,000, based on what kind of laser power you're choosing,
right.
And also the accessory. Yeah. The riser base down here, so you can lift it, with a little bit more capacity of doing things like that. And by the way, those images was actually generated by our AI make. So if we don't know how to Photoshop or editing, this is the one. Like, you don't need to know anything about editing at all.
Right, look at that thing.
Yeah, and the software comes with it for free. It's for free, and you can generate basically anything from it.
That's awesome. Look at
Things like that. Also do on the coaster and things like that. So basically you can do like inkjet printing first and then cut it later. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, right?
That is cool. Look at that. And then this is all like multiple pieces.
Yeah. I know the coolest object I saw is like a puzzle piece. So basically you design the whole thing, then you print it, then cut it into puzzles. It's just seamless.
Oh, that's
yeah, and vibrate on the color.
Oh wow. So what else you got here?
Relatably, this is actually also a color piece. It's called apparel printer, and it's one of the kinds, the most innovative, most convenient, the DTF, right? But prints on canvas bag, also the apparels and hoodies, and you can see how vibrant it is.
Look at that.
And also, if you see those patterns, it's really seamlessly blends in.
Right.
And the best thing about this is auto curing, so it's one click. You can print in here with the sheets rolling inside, and it will cut off automatically, and then goes down with the curing, with all the powder, and drops down to the shaker oven. So will dries up by itself. So you don't need to do anything. Very low maintenance.
Oh wow, this is better.
That's a pain point about the DTF,
Yeah, the maintenance. Nobody wants to deal with the maintenance.
No.
Is this a single head or a dual head?
It's a dual head.
It's a dual head. Mm-hmm. Oh wow.
I mean, this is a new. We just launched it on Kickstarter.
And how much it costs?
The whole thing on Kickstarter, we are running early bird price for 20% off, and that's $62.99.
$6,299?
For the whole thing. I mean, including the offer.
Even that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's a great price.
Yeah.
13 inches?
A little bit wider, 36.
No, I'm talking the print.
Oh, you mean that? That's no, it's a 20. About 20.
About 20?
Yeah. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. See, this is the sheet right here.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. 20-inch print bed. Man, that's That's a good size. That's a very good size.
Yeah, and we have a little heat press on the side.
Bigger one.
And also a little iron.
What size is the heat press?
Oh, that's 12 by 12. Yeah.
And you only got one size, right?
Yeah, it's one side, only one SKU.
Do you have any information on this so I can actually get some more?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
Is this one? Oh,
Yeah, that's the flyer.
look at that thing. That's awesome. Perfect. So, I shall definitely get this information out.
Yeah. Did you get everything?
Yes, I did.
Awesome.
So, that's a nice machine. All in one, $6,000. Yeah, not that large.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.